Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the pop-up gallery. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a model of a pop-up whale. Wanna know how to make it? Come on, let's do it together. Keep watching! Let's make the whale first. This is now our first pop-up element, the whale. In order for this whale to pop up, we need to create a center crease. These broken lines are our indicators where the folds are. Fold the center halfway, then create a triangular fold at both sides. Just follow the video. It is very important to try for every step you make just to know if it works or not. As you can see, I fold the end part of the tail of the whale just to have a 3D effect. Okay, so this whale element is ready to be attached onto the spread. But be careful which part you are going to attach. You see this triangular space here. Put glue on this part. We're going to attach it onto the spread. This is the perfect part to attach so that the head and the tail will pop up perfectly. Okay, perfect! As you can see, it pops up. This is our second pop-up element, the sea. Let's create a hole in the middle so that it will give an effect as if the whale is coming out of the water. By the way, pop-uppers, make sure that there is no part sticking out of the spread. If there is, just simply cut it out. Okay, here it is, our pop-up whale. Oh, I got this idea from the pop-up greeting card by Colin Roy Todd Pop-Up on Pinterest. You can try it too. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, pop-uppers. See you. Bye!